How to set up Phantom Wallet mobile app step by step. In this video, I'm going to be quickly showing you on how you can set up your Phantom Wallet mobile app. So first of all, what you're going to be doing is you're going to go over to your App Store or Google Play Store and download the Phantom Crypto Wallet. Now, once you've downloaded that, you're going to open it up where it's going to take you into your loading screen where you're simply going to wait for a few seconds. And once your main Phantom Wallet loads up, you're simply going to go ahead and set it up. So we're going to agree to the terms and service. Now, if you already have a wallet, you can go ahead and open that up here, but I'm going to go ahead, create a new wallet. Now it says continue with email. I'm going to click on continue with Google. And you can either do that or you can continue with your Apple account as well. Now, once we're over here, I'm simply going to go ahead and continue with my Gmail account. And once we click on continue again, it's simply going to load us in over here where it says create a pin. So you can create any pin that you want. Like, let's say I'm going to create mine over here. Now, once that is done, it starts creating your wallet where it adds the social wallet to your queue. And once that is done, from here on out, what you can do is you can easily go ahead and start importing your crypto. Now it says protect your wallet. So you can protect your wallet if you want to by using fingerprint authentication. So you can add that as well if you want to. Now, once you've done that, simply click on next, and now it says you're all done. So simply click on get started, and now we're here. So that is how you're going to be setting up Phantom Wallet on your mobile app. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.